Perseverance Rover mission is really an outcome of decades of research and planning for astrobiology, and particularly my own research into ancient planetary environments on Earth, their nature and how they've changed over time. Of course, life's origins and its early evolution, and where we would look for evidence of life on early Earth, and then what particular features you look for. My own personal research as a geochemist, which is basically a chemist who studies geologic materials, rocks, and so forth. In studying early history, I'm very interested in how life and its environment have affected each other over time, and therefore really giving insights to why life is the way that it is. Now, of course, Jezero Crater is a landing site whose selection is an outcome of all that research that has been done on early Earth, because it resembles early Earth environments that had fossils in them. Ancient environmental conditions were more habitable on Earth, so ancient and Mars is important. For me, it's finding rocks, minerals, chemicals, and other features that really demonstrate that we have an example of ancient habitable conditions and potential signatures of life. But the key point here is that we expect them to be much better preserved than what we have on the early Earth. Earth has really ravaged that record, and we have every expectation that Mars has done a better job at preservation. And so what I'd love as a big discovery would be multiple features that might be potential preserved fossils, and of course the ability to collect those samples and returning them. That's a big if. If we find something that's really cool, can we get the proper samples from it that could be returned? So in a way, all this would build towards potentially establishing Mars as a second example of an ancient biosphere, which for astrobiology would be really pretty profound.